machinist at Superior Die Set for about 8 years. I currently run the Doosan 2550 Bridge Mill.
My name is Tom Mashinsky. I work at Superior Die Set for 31 years. I run the Doosan 2540.
Machines are meant for a heavy-duty, high-speed production. It has a 60-tool matrix with a 5.5-second tool-to-tool change.
These machines can hold up to 48,000 pounds with a broad spectrum capabilities with a high-powered ram spindle.
This is Ryan Irene, Vice President of Operations here at Superior Die Set. I want to share some exciting news. We just installed 2 brand new pieces of equipment. Doosan Bridge Mills, a 2540 and a 2550 machine. These machines are great for us. It really adds the capability that we've been missing. The reason why we chose Doosan, though, was their ability to really provide the equipment in a very tight timeline. We wanted to have, from the time we started the project to making chips, 6 months timeline. And Doosan did a great job of getting that for us. Additionally, they provided some outstanding post-installation support for training of our operators and training of our programmers. The additional capability that the integrated right angle heads provide us eliminated lots of steps that we had in our process. And now we are able to go directly to our machining center and produce a fully machined part, start to finish, which has really helped us in reducing our lead times and added capacity. Furthermore, Doosan's continuing to work with us, expanding our capabilities to run unattended. And with that, look forward to continuing to reduce our lead times and providing quality products to our customers.